Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn audio and video controls of HTML5 special features you will be learned here. These are the audio and video controllers or comes under multimedia controllers. Now, HTML audio element is used to play an audio with along with our web page. Very simply, by making audio controls of a source file, we have to give a simple to write the audio and the source. The file where is the path we have to specify here, and the type we have to specify like audio and MPEG, the format of the audio file system, and you have to close with the audio. And now similarly, you will see here the video tag is only the video tag will be applicable to run with here. And the width and height you can specify with the controls, and the source you have to using the tag of src movie where the path of the movie is going to be with the extension how we are going to presenting the images. Likewise you will use per these two controls, and strongly remember you have to be understand to using these two controls with the latest modern web browsers only the HTML5 new features will support. All right, let's see our code form of HTML5 multimedia controls. By adding audio, this is the controls, and the source, this is the audio video, this is the folder here. You identify the left side of the project audio video folder. We have in a called horse and movie.mp4 files, and the type we have using like audio and mpg. We have separately added here the tag, and the attribute type should be distinguished, and it will be identifies the HTML form file to whether it may be it's accurately the video file and it may be it's an mp3 file. All right, now just see the save the form and run it. Just see here, this is the audio controller. By default it is showing, and if you want to apply any css, yes, you are wish to apply your audio like a css. This is the video, it is audio is playing, and the video controller it is, and exactly where you want to use this, and where you want to present your HTML5 form, all the relevant CSS you can apply, and making the dimensions of the sizes of height and width, and you can present there at your form of real-time services. This is all about to you have learned with the audio and video of multimedia controls. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.